Welcome back, subbies, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today I'm going to be doing a hair review, but before we get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. So I got sent a wig from this brand called Gorgius. This is the box, and I already love the way this box looks. So when I open the box, you have a bag. This is where the star of the show is, with the Gorgius logo on it. And then we have a whole bunch of headbands. We have a yellow one, we have a tie-dye one, we have a camo one, we have one with a design, looks like a flower or some sort, and then we have a cheetah one. So in total we get 5 headband wigs. And then they also give you, what is this? I think this is a band for your edges. Let me open it and find out. I like how they have their brand name on everything. So yeah, this looks like a headband of some sort for the wig, because it has this elastic inside. And then we also have a wig cap, which I already have one on because your girl is prepared, and a bag, Gorgius bag. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have some of these. You can never have too many of these, especially like when you're flat ironing and curling your hair. Like, those just come in handy. Then we have a band, just in case you want to sew this on the back of your wig, like for, you know, an adjustable band. We have another one of these. Some more bobby pins. You can never have too many bobby pins. Some tweezers and edge brush. You can never have too many edge brushes. I like to replace my edge brushes after a while anyway, because eventually they just get too built up with product. So yeah, let me show you the star of the show, which is the wig. So this wig is 100% human hair. This is how it looks. So this is the Afro headband wig, that's what they call it. I'm not sure how many inches this is, but I will confirm and have all of the information in the description box. The hair does feel soft. And this is the Velcro. And then the wig also has adjustables. I don't know if you can see that. Then it also has an adjustable comb. So we are gonna go ahead and try this wig on. So this is the natural texture of the hair. When you first get in the pack, this is how the texture looks. It's definitely giving fro. But I can't wait to wash it to see how it looks. Let me show you the back. This is the side view. And this is the back of the side profile. So yeah, it's definitely giving fro. I love the fact that this hair does not have a smell. That is a plus. And I like that even though it's kinky and it's like a fro, you can still separate it. So it doesn't appear like it would get tangled easily. You just pull it apart like so. But yeah, I really love headband wigs, and I feel like it's the best wig to get if you're a beginner and you're not really familiar with wigs, because it's definitely low maintenance. And what do you have to do besides like pull your hair back in a ponytail, put on a wig cap if you want to, and then put this sucker on, okay? Like, you saw the install, it was super, super easy. So let me show you a few styles that I can rock with this wig. Okay, so this is the last style. So when you put the wig on, you can wear it in a fro easily, or shape it or maneuver it the way you want, but there's only so much you can really maneuver the wig without having to kind of loosen it up. So the second style that you all saw was a pineapple. So with the pineapple, like, you really need like a huge scrunchie for that, because this hair is super thick and full, which is what I love about this hair. Like, this wig did not skimp on no hair, okay? Like, this wig is very thick and full, and I just freaking love it. But in order to kind of stretch the hair, you saw that I kind of misted and sprayed some water on it. And then let me show you what I put on it. All I did was put some Cantu curling cream. That's all I put on this hair. Water and a Cantu curling cream, and that stretched it a little bit more. As you all can see, it's not as tight as it was earlier. The curls have kind of loosened up, and I was able to style it even more. So these are the styles that I was able to come up with this wig. Super, super, super cute. I love it. And I chose the cheetah headband because it matches what I have on right now. So yeah, if you want like a simple, easy hairstyle, this is it. This is it. And I will have this wig linked below, as well as the information for the website. So yeah, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. And yeah, I really hope you all go out and purchase this wig, because it's worth it, sis. Like, it's worth it. But if you like this video, remember to give your girl the big thumbs up. Also, do not forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell, so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. Until next time,